Hi there, welcome to TW Home Show. I'm here to show you today how to mount a bar in your shower or tub area on tile. And we're going to mount a bar like this. It's got a built-in soap dish. I plan on mounting it somewhat like this. And here's the tools we're going to need for this project. I've got a drill, my level, hammer. These tools, these hardware pack here came with the grab rail. And for tile, we need these specialty bits here. I know it seems dangerous drilling through brand new tile, but these things I've had very good luck with. They're to drill through tile. We're going to start with one of the smaller bits. It goes in easier, and then we'll use a larger bit that these anchors will fit into. Okay, I'm going to mark the drill points with my Sharpie here on the tile, and we're going to mark these holes right here. After I get it level, I'm going to have to mark them real quick. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, we've got it all done now. The hand railing bar is mounted in our shower successfully. And this one has a built-in soap dish, so that's handy. And that's it for now.